BM English speaking radio channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachuti and I'm your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 129 of season 3. Today's word is legitimate. Legitimate means allowed by law or by rules of an organization. Reasonable and acceptable. Fair and honest, or to make something legal or acceptable. With BM English speaking radio channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word legitimate. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Legitimate is spelt as L-E-G-I-T-I-M-A-T-E. The word legitimate means allowed by law or by rules of an organization, reasonable and acceptable. For example, the judge warned the advocate to avoid ambiguous queries and ask only legitimate questions. Listen carefully how we can use the word legitimate in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. The Shopkeepers Association complained to the municipal commissioner about the hindrance of the hawkers. The commissioner called his officers and asked them to take legitimate action. Moving on to example number 2 of 8. Initially, the passport looked legitimate to the immigration officer. However, upon close inspection, he realized that it was a fake. Oh, isn't this a relevant example? Example number 3 of 8. Pete took over the business after his father retired. He was in a great hurry to manipulate the business and earn more profit. However, his father reminded him that he must follow only legitimate business practices. Let us understand example number 4 of 8. The younger brother demanded his legitimate share of the land. However, this led to arguments within the family and the elders had to intervene to settle the matter. 4,239 and counting is the number of Google reviews with a 4.2 star rating that BM English Speaking Institute has received. To know more about us, visit our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. The insurance company refused to accept homeopathy as a legitimate treatment. Therefore, it refused the medical insurance claims of Mrs. Chatterjee. She was upset at this and filed a complaint with the Consumer Forum. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. There are a large number of people who believe that use of animals for medical research is not legitimate. They earnestly appeal to the authorities and the research organizations to stop this practice. Let us understand example number 7 of 8. Dimple moved to a European country after her marriage. There, she applied for part-time jobs, but she was told that she could not take up any work without a legitimate work permit. Moving on to example number 8 of 8. Wilson was offered a project as a designer, but he felt that the terms of the contract were not legitimate. Therefore, he decided to consult his lawyer before signing the contract. Today we learnt the word legitimate, which means allowed by law or by rules of an organization, reasonable and acceptable, fair and honest, to make something legal or acceptable. Can you frame 3 sentences with legitimate and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure this lesson has helped to improve your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 129 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be uploading 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.